Hello, welcome to the course content, Direction of Light, How Light Affects in Photography. Types of light, key light, field light, and rim light. Key light. As the name suggests, this is the most important light. Key light defines the shadow in a composition. All other lights are placed according to the key light. Field light. A field light is used to open up the shadows. Ideally, field light doesn't have its own shadow as it is generally less in intensity than the key light. Rim light. Lights are outline the subject and separate the subject from the background. These lights are also known as side light or hell light depending on where they are placed. These lights helps in popping the subject out. This light contributes the lightest tones and specular highlights. There are several types of lighting for photography: front lighting, side lighting, and backlighting. I'll discuss regarding this in next slides. Front lighting, behind the camera, giving the subject an even exposure. This kind of lighting is most simple and easy to meter. In natural light conditions, we can see this type of light in the first hour after sunrise and last few hours of daylight. Side lighting. Side lighting is coming from one side. Front lighting might render a subject two-dimensional, but side lighting gives it a volume and a three-dimensional look. This evokes stronger response from the audience, especially when taking portraits. Backlighting. Key light is behind the subject. Silhouette pictures are best examples of this kind of lighting. By adding field light, it can be used beautifully for portraits when backlight acts like as a rim light. Have some example like front lighting, backlighting, side lighting, and backlighting.